Morning mountain chums, me again today. Today I'm in slightly rainy Patterdale, heading over to hopefully slightly less rainy Martindale via Place Fell. From here we follow the Ullswater Way up to Patterdale Hawes. Well, it certainly gets the heart pumping. From here you can see Ullswater off to the right and Brothers Water off to the left. Come on then to Patterdale Hawes, properly making some height now. Place Fell is up over to the left, Angleton Pikes off to the right. So there are a few ways up Place Fell. Stick to the main path, or path, depending on preference. It's a lot easier watching it speeded up than doing it, I tell you. Like banging your head against a brick wall, walking in the wind is very nice when it stops. So that's Place Fell, 657 metres, 2,156 feet. All the weathers. Turn right here, head down the hill. footpath is actually slightly hidden. This is the footpath from what I can tell on the map, and it leads to a stile. Oh, there's a footpath guarded by herdies, the most fearsome of the lakeland beasts. So we cross the road and straight up the little hill. Come on then. Into the rain. Next one is Beda Fell. It looks pretty big from here. Beda Fell, of course, named after the Venerable Bede. He used to sightsee around this area. Not really. At least I don't think so. I don't know. Seems unlikely. Look it up. Take Wikipedia, who knows? This is Beda Fell. It's very much on the way home. It's a good thing because it's getting windy. I could go round to the angled tarn pikes. It's not for today. It's still winter and the weather isn't 100%. We're now opposite Place Fell. You can get a real sense of the scale of the walk. I realised that technically I could have just come back down Place Fell and up Beda Fell, but where's the fun in that? Look how far we've come. What a beautiful valley. If you want to go onto Angleton Pikes from here, just carry straight on, heading slightly to the left. Otherwise, at this little cairn here, turn right and head back down to Patterdale Hawes, which is what I'm going to do now. Come with me. That's about it from me. Thank you very much for watching, if indeed you still are. If you've enjoyed this, do please like and subscribe. And join us once again, hopefully, for another Wainwright walk. Stay safe.